The energy transition, it's a global change. It's underway, but not yet complete. Essentially, it is the transition away from the use of fossil fuels to power our societies and towards a zero carbon energy system powered entirely by alternative sustainable fuels and processes. As you'll know, much of our global energy system is fossil fuel based and continuously releases carbon into the environment. This is having a devastating effect on the world we live in. The energy transition is a global change, a permanent shift that is happening right now. The simple truth is, we need to find a way to power our lives and the global economy using methods and materials that are safe and sustainable for us and for generations to come. So, getting to net zero carbon relies heavily on the decarbonisation of our energy sector. The energy transition is the foundation for decarbonisation of all other sectors, such as transport and buildings. It is essential to achieving our net zero carbon goals. By moving to more sustainable energy sources, deploying new technologies, more widespread electrification, but it is also important to remember that we still need to maintain the resilience and security of our energy systems to support our societies and economies. The energy transition needs an integrated approach to move us away from a fossil fuel reliance. Energy demand is growing more than ever before, so we still need to meet the demand whilst focusing on renewable generation. Overhauling how we generate, dispatch, use, and store energy is critical to mitigate long-term climate change. Renewable energy will continue to grow across the world. We're seeing it happen now, but the pace needs to gain momentum. As an example, many countries could use offshore wind to help reach net zero ambitions, while other countries may rely on other technologies such as solar. All in all, the goal is a resilient energy transition and a fully decarbonised end state. Arup's approach to a good energy transition is very clear. We have 6 key considerations. Firstly, huge leaps in decarbonisation will be achieved through industry and sector-specific strategies in the transport and building sectors. Digital technology can be instrumental in enabling energy transitions. Practical, investable, and just transition pathways are essential. Multi-vector and sector bridging solutions will be necessary. We must also think about the temporal, spatial, and system elements of transition. And lastly, we need to be able to replicate and scale these solutions to achieve impact.